Today we're playing Animal Sim underwater.
You mean simulator underwater?
Yeah.
Huh? Hey?
How?
Wait, hey, can you fight me? I'm this venom shark.
This is no match.
Can you fight me?
No. Only level 7.
How about I become like a weaker an animal that is 10 times weaker?
Okay.
Like a fish.
Okay. Hello, fish.
Well, I'm gonna customize myself.
Do you want?
Okay. I customized.
Okay. Come on.
اسمع هاي بتضل تعد هيك للأبد؟
Yeah. What the hell? A fish is 10 times weaker and I still died. I guess this is basically my first time playing this.
Yeah, or see what level I am? 140. Hey, can I show you what's my level?
I don't know how my brother learns Arabic.
Hey?
I mean Arabic.
Hey?
What?
And my level is 141.
What the heck?
Hey, follow me.
Try not to kill me.
Yeah. Are you trying to kill me?
No.
Stop trying to attack me.
Let's beat up each other. Why?
The boss died. Please try. Oh, there's an arrow appeared on my screen. Follow me.
Where are you?
I'm gonna become like a shark because I can pick you up.
Ayo. Sharks eat humans. Not let them ride.
I'm a friendly shark. There's actually a boss I really want to destroy.
Well, first let me be an animal.
Okay.
I'm gonna be a blue whale.
You mean a blue dolphin?
Yeah.
Because you're too big. You're too big.
Like, if I'm drowning, I can just spread the water.
Hey, Qais?
What?
You're too big. I can't carry you. Be a smaller animal.
Like a turtle?
Yes.
I'm gonna be a blue turtle.
A blue turtle. Okay. I can actually carry you.
What?
I carried you.
Why are you a venom shark?
Just for fun. I think that the location is gonna appear any second. Find the place.
Okay.
Yeah, I found it.
By the way, guys, I have a new keyboard.
Okay. Following the arrow. I see the boss fight. A boss fight. Can you help me kill this boss fight?
Okay. Huh?
And maybe, guys, the boss.
I just got killed.
The boss is distracted on me.
Well, I just got killed.
And press Orca.
What Orca? This?
Yeah. Yes. And press find a place. And then it shows you where you have to go.
Okay.
Wait, guys, the boss actually died.
Huh?
Boss just died. Please just try again later. The boss died. Wait. Hey?
Huh?
Follow.
First, let me
The boss died again.
The boss died. Please try again later.
Hey, Qais, the boss revived.
Okay, but
follow me.
I got the arrow.
Okay.
Go. This must be where the evil
Boss shark.
lives. Why is the arrow pointing up when this is the tunnel? What? Oh, someone's already fighting it.
Where is it?
Yeah. No, not that.
Is it that orca?
I think.
I hear it. I see it. It's that big shark. Stop moving. There's actually a bomb called auto attack. The boss is already almost dead. Look! I'm gonna become the orca.
Oh my god.
Orca become. Look up. Wait, what?
Orca become.
What about we do an orca fight? We can also spray water if we're drowning. Let's see who's the strongest orca ever.
Wait, yeah, we can also carry 5 animals.
Hey, follow me.
Are we going to another boss?
Hey, no, I want to see who's the strongest orca ever.
Well, first spray in yourself water so you don't drown.
Okay. And I'm fighting someone that's really strong. Hello, shark. Bye-bye, shark. Oh, dodge the person.
Yeah, I wasn't ready yet.
Okay, but I'm trying to dodge. Hey, what about we fight in the ocean? Because this lady's just too annoying.
Okay, but first let me become the orca. Let's go. Since we're down in the ocean, we don't need.
I see you.
Hey,
let's do an orca fight.
Hey, stop!
What?
Stop a little bit. Look how blended in the water is with the water.
Yes, let's do an orca fight.
First, let me learn how to attack. Okay, it's Q.
Q is attack. There's actually a button called auto attack.
So,
hey, fight me. Yeah. I'm gonna give you a head start.
Yeah.
What? I'm too strong.
3 hits? Dude, that's gotta be okay.
My level is 143.
Oh my god! I'm only at 20.
Wait, the boss just died.
Can we go to another boss, please?
Another boss? I know one. A turtle boss.
Oh, I was gonna do that. Find place, turtle.
Animals. A turtle, find place. Hey, there's actually a turtle map. Maps. Turtle lands. Hey, go to maps now. Maps.
Well, first let me just find the place. Wait,
find place.
Go on.
Turtle lands. Teleport to the turtle lands.
Where's the turtle?
Go to maps. Turtle lands.
Well,
I'm sticking as the orca.
I'm sticking as this.
The shark?
Yeah. Orca's in the shark.
This is the boss. The volcano.
Oh my god! This literally looks like
the weakness is going on top of it. Okay?
Okay, get on top of it. So, in the lava?
Yeah.
I just got yeeted!
Yeah, because Qais, the boss is after me. Now it's not. It's after both of us. Now it's wiggling.
Let's go.
It's after me. The boss is after me. It's distracted on me.
I'm killing it.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
I'm literally
It's
just hitting.
distracted on me.
I'm literally just hitting. Yeah, I'm inside it.
Yeah, last time I was killing the boss with a random person, and I placed the boss. The boss is distracted on me.
Well, how do I get outside?
You're inside the turtle. Did you got eaten?
How do I get eaten?
You just got swallowed whole by the turtle.
I got eaten. Wow! I just got.
I'm behind it now. Don't go in front of it.
Ouch!
Don't go in front of
Yeah,
it.
just do its weakness.
I will distract it by going in front of it.
I'll do its weakness. Hey, Yahya.
It's okay. It's on me.
Hey, Yahya.
What?
How much what is our goal of the end of this video?
It is to kill all bosses.
What? That's literally impossible. That's literally
I killed the turtle and
maybe we're just gonna kill all bosses in episode 2.
Okay. Is this the final part of the video? Oh no, I'm low.
When we kill the
I'm
turtle,
not low anymore.
when we kill the
Stop moving in it, because you can actually attack it.
well, we can just auto attack.
Yeah, I'm low.
Just auto attack.
I'm auto attacking.
Just go somewhere else.
I'm trying to not let it attack. Now I'm not low anymore.
Because you level up.
Yes, every time you level up, you regenerate health.
Let's go! Okay, it's half health.
I'm gonna die. Never mind.
Did you level up?
Yes.
Well,
I'm under it.
Well, this turtle is going after me. It's literally making me in front of it.
It's
turning on me.
It's attacking me though. I'm inside. I got swallowed whole. I got eaten.
How do you get eaten?
I don't know.
It's literally waking my head and
it's attacking me now.
How do I want to get eaten.
You want to get eaten?
Yeah.
It's distracted on me again.
Why do I see a other turtle?
It's helping us. Oh no! It's an island turtle. It's a turtle island.
Oh my God! Get me in.
I'm inside its neck.
I'm literally in too. I'm literally making a hole.
I'm gonna die.
Oh my God! I'm inside.
I'm not down anymore.
Ouch! I'm outside. I'm about to die. Never mind.
Attack me! Yeah.
Come on!
Don't go on his face.
I'm going out this lava.
Hey, eat me.
Wait, Yahya, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get on the volcano. I just got launched back.
It's on me. Don't go on the head. How many health does it have?
It has.
Let's stop trying to go outside the water. The part that's outside the water.
He's so close to dying.
Because of all of this, I'm now level 55.
Oh my god! And now I'm level 49.
You're gonna be 50 soon. You're not attacking it.
Let's go!
But it didn't give us any. It didn't give us any.
We're well, guys,
Someone is fighting us.
like and subscribe. Hey, bye. Hey, say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Can we
Three,
keep playing?